Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarvi and here with my first ever YouTube tutorial. This will be with my eyebrows. If you guys want to see the makeup look, please let me know. I'd love to film it for you guys. I will be talking about my favorite ever eyebrow products and the type of eyebrows that I really like. And also sharing my eyebrow disasters. If you know me, I'm infamous for changing my eyebrow shape, infamous for even shaving off my eyebrows and doing all these crazy things now, which I do regret, and I will tell you why, but eyebrows are one of my favorite ever things to do on my face while I'm doing my makeup, and I feel like they completely bring everything together. I do look a little bit crazy right now because I don't have my eyebrows on, but by the end, I promise it will look beautiful. So we're gonna start off by pushing our hair back. So now that our hair is out of the way, we will be starting the brows. So I'm going to be talking about some products that I really love to use, and these products I've been using for a few years now. They are my absolute favorite. Honestly, they will change your life. They will change your life and give you the brows that you want, and they are so easy to use. I cannot even tell you, like my mother even uses them. Super easy. So I have 3 of the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencils. I have 3 because I do change my hair color a lot. I go from different shades of brown to adding blonde to black. Like literally I change my hair color so much. So for my personal use, I have number 3, number 3.5, and number 4. So the reason I love these pencils is it is exactly what they say are, precisely my brow. So this is super thin. The pencil is literally super thin. It kind of reminds me of, do you guys remember like lead pencils? It's the best way to get like those like hair-like strokes in your eyebrows. This is perfect for anybody that likes like a natural brow. They like the featherized brow, perfect for that. Personally, I do not use any pomade. I'm not the biggest fan of pomade. I like more brow pencils, powders, just like the brow markers too. I really do not like pomade unless you have like no eyebrows to kind of like start off the brow, but then I like to fill in with pencils always. The next product is, this is literally life-changing. This is the 24-hour brow setter. This is a clear gel. Can't really see it, but you don't need a particular color to use with this. This is perfect for anybody just to push your eyebrows up. My eyebrows are laminated, but I still like to use a brow gel because my eyebrow lamination is like a little bit old right now. But if you're interested in eyebrow lamination, I'll link it down below. I do offer brow lamination. You can visit my page and I'll talk more about it. But brow lamination is essentially brow gel in your eyebrows, but it lasts like 6 to 8 weeks. Mine's kind of faded out right now to like 7 weeks, so I do need to put brow gel in them. Next, this is the Brow Contour Pro Pencil. I love this as well. It's kind of dirty. It's well used, well loved. What I like using from this is the highlighter, just to clean up your brows at the end. But it also comes with all these other colors that you can use for your brows. Also, GimMe Brow, one of the most popular products. This is good when you're just trying to add some color, you're in a rush, you just kind of put this through your brows. You don't have to use both the brow setter and this. You could just use either or. They're both brow gels. And we're gonna get started. Okay, so start off with very not done eyebrows. That makes no sense. But start off with your brows with no product in them. I like to like start off by brushing them up. To fill them in. I'm gonna start off with number 3. Let me tell you guys a funny story. I dyed my hair last week, or almost 2 weeks ago now. So I dyed my hair almost 2 weeks ago, and I decided to come home and bleach my eyebrows. I bleached my eyebrows in one night 3 times because I literally could not decide on the color that I wanted. My eyebrows were super dark. They were almost black when I started dyeing them. So the bleach, it like literally made them blonde the first time I did it. They went like an orange blonde. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go downstairs and I have some brow dye. So I put that on, and then they went black because I guess the bleach was so fresh. So then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a shower and redo this. I wasn't kidding when I told you guys I have like intense brow issues. Like I tweeze my eyebrows every night, and I'm queen of over tweezing my eyebrows. So I really do need to fill them in. So I redid it, and then they kind of like started feeling like they were fried the second time I did it. In the morning, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna redo it. I woke up like 6 hours later, bleached my eyebrows and did it again, and now we are here. They're just like a dark brown. Honestly, I wish they were probably a little bit lighter, and they have like some like red spots in them, but what can you do? It is what it is at this point. So I'm gonna do this eyebrow, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna start at the bottom with number 3, and I'm going to just start filling it in. Just like that. Look what a difference it already made. And then I'm gonna go and start getting to the outer part of it. And I'm just doing small hair-like strokes, like in any areas that I do have gaps. Look what a difference it's already made. Now I like to use my cheek as a way to like stabilize my hand. So a good way to figure out where your eyebrow should end is at the end of your eye, just like that. So this is like my good eyebrow. It's really easy to do for me. This is like my not so good eyebrow. But everybody has that. Everybody has like their favorite side. Just like that. So I'm gonna take the back of the brush, back of the pencil, and kind of brush it out. And that is how I like my eyebrow. I don't want it too thick and too dark. Now I'm going to take the Brow Contour Pro, and I'm gonna clean up my eyebrow. So I'm gonna take the highlighter part, and all you have to do is kind of use it as like a highlighter, and it kind of cleans it up. And I just honestly use my finger just to kind of warm up the product. And look what difference that makes. There you go. Then I'm gonna take the brow setter, and I'm going to just run this through my eyebrows in an upward direction. So I got the nice like featherized look. So as you can see, compared to this eyebrow, this one just looks way more defined, way more full. Yeah, it's very natural. I don't like a harsh eyebrow. Like I still want to be able to see the hairs. And I feel like it looks like very nice and natural, but put together. I'm just gonna hop off camera and do the other one, and then I'll be right back. So I'm back with my eyebrows. This is what they look like now. I feel like they look perfect. I went from having not so even eyebrows to having nice even eyebrows now. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And for now, this is my eyebrow tutorial.